Welcome to ExamPreptool 30 days DSA challenge. Challenge number 23 we given in the last class. Right? Let's see the answer for this. Right? Let's see the answer for this. Let me check. Let me see the answer. So I'm trying this. Right? So let's see. Write a program to print all the leaders in the array. And an element is said to be a leader if it is greater than all elements to its right hand side. Right? Note the rightmost element is always leader. Means what you want to say is, in the given array, a particular element is said to be a leader if it is greater than all elements which are there on the right hand side. And remember, rightmost element is always leader. See this. See this. This person is always leader. One leader already there. Okay, already printed. Now, is it leader or not? Right hand side, comparing with the 15 is greater than all the people on the right hand side. Yes, 15 also leader. What about 3? 3 leader, is it greater than all the people on the right hand side? No. 4 leader, is it greater than all the elements on the right hand side? No. Right? 17 leader, yes. 76 leader, yes. Right? So I think everyone got clarity about this problem. Now, what about the second input? Can you see the second input? Right? This is the second input. 20 leader by default, yes. Next one. What about 42? 42 is greater than all the people on the right hand side. Yes. So 2 people later. You know very well what is the leader problem and all. So I will explain how to do this. I'm going to explain now how to do this. Right? Let's see this. See everyone, how to find out leaders in the given array. I will take one example and I'm going to explain. See this. Yeah, let me take some elements. 55, 92, 16, 38, 40, 20, 39, 17, 66, 66, yeah. And one more thing is, let me try. So 14, some numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 10 people are there. Totally 10 people are there. Let us assume this is 140. Let us assume it is 140. Let us assume that it is 192. Some numbers. I can keep whatever I want. Some numbers I am keeping. It is assume that it is a 161. Assume that it is a 551. Some numbers. These are the elements. I want to find out how many leaders are there. As soon as I will get leaders, I will print out here. Listen, it's a very interesting problem. It's a very interesting problem. Please see once what is going on. It's a very interesting problem. Right? I'm checking now. I'm checking series. By default, first right from the right hand side. From the right hand side, first person is leader. Everyone. From the right hand side, first person is leader. Everyone. Now, one more small question I want to ask you. To solve this problem, start from right hand side. To solve this problem, start from right hand side. Because he's saying that this one, a element is said to be leader if it is greater than all people on the right hand side. So because of that reason, I am starting from right hand side. Right? Let's see what happened. How to solve this problem? I'm explaining. See, max is equal to take one local variable max, which contain rightmost element 14. And remember, rightmost element you take, keep in the maximum. Right? Make sure it is a leader. It is a printed also. Yeah, printing done. Some people are asking, sir, from now onwards, what you do, sir? From now onwards, what you do, sir? You see now. So it is already completed. It is already completed. Now what you do is, right? So start from right hand side, not left hand side. So you are coming like this. You are coming like this. One element you take and you come like this. Right? You come like this. So I think right from the right hand side, first person is leader. So that one stored in the maximum also. Now take the next element. So is next element is greater than maximum? Yes. Is next element is greater than maximum? Yes. Then if it is greater than maximum, so E will be the leader, print it first, then change maximum also. Next, this also completed. Let's go to the next element. Right? Next element is greater than the maximum? No, he is not a leader. Completed, but he is not a leader. Don't update, don't print also. Next one, is he greater than the maximum? No. is not a leader. So don't print also, don't update also. Easy maximum, no, is not a leader. Easy maximum, right? New element is more than the maximum, yes. Then new person is the leader and update also. So remember this max contain greatest element until now from right hand side. Max always contain greatest element from right hand side until now. Next one. So the next element which is coming, is he greater than the maximum? No, is not a leader, leave it. Next element which is coming, is it greater than the maximum? Yes. So print it because he's a leader and update also. Next one. Next element is greater than the maximum? Yes. Print it because he is a leader and update also. 192. Next one, right? So 551, is it greater than the maximum? Yes. Print it 551 because he is a leader and update also. This is also completed. Simply one scan, bhaiya, simply one scan. Right hand to left hand side, one scan. You may say that, sir, why are you starting from right side? He himself mentioned in the problem. If element is greater than all elements on the right hand side. So I want to know right hand side. Till now, who is greater? I want to know. So that will be stored in the maximum. Instead of comparing with all the people, every new person compare with this. Right? So this, right? Listen everyone, every new person will compare with the maximum. What is the maximum? Till now on the right hand side, who is maximum? Comparing that person, new person is greater. Means he is greater than all elements on the right hand side. You may say that, sir, you done many times, so you got it. How we got to know? You may say that, right? I also first time similar like you. When I listen this first time, I started with the left hand side. So condition is on the right hand side. If you start from the left hand side, this is possible. It may take more time, n square time. If not n square, maybe n also, but more difficult. This problem becomes so easy if you start from right side. If you start from left side, this will take more time. If not more time, it will become more difficult. So remember, max is a variable which contains maximum element till now from the right hand side. Simply one scan from right hand side is the answer. See the program also. Same thing I written the program also. Same thing I written the program also. See this one. This is main program. It's a Python program. This is the main program. Right? In the Python language, right? Because of language is a very small, right? Python language is very interesting programming language. Code will be very small because many formalities are removed. See, no bracket is there. Check open bracket, closed bracket, almost not there. In another programming language, bracket, open bracket is there, closed bracket is there, main there, and so on. But in the Python language, many things are unnecessary things that they remove. It is a main program, right? Let's see this one. 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth one, fifth one, 0 to 5. Total 6 people are there. Right? So array size, if you see 6. And right, sorry, array size is 6. Now array is passing. Right? It will go. Now let me change the color. Yeah. Now size will be 6. Array is came. 6 minus 1. It will become 5. Array of 5. Array of 5 means last element. Last element is stored in the maximum, which is 2. And print also because he is a leader. Last element is always a leader. So 2 is a leader, printed already. And till now, maximum is the greatest one. Till now from right hand side. Until now, max contain maximum element from right hand side until now. Now see, for loop is started. For loop is from where? Right? From this place to this place. This place means which index? 4. This place means which index? 0. 4 to 0, you have to repeat the loop. Remember, size is 6, 6 minus 2, 4. So from 4, you have to start. Every time decrement by 1. Right? Until, before minus 1. Before minus 1. You know very well, range function. This is called range function. Range function saying that from 4 onwards start, always decrement by 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right? Before minus 1, stop in 0. So first I value should be 4, next I value 3, next I value 2, next I value 1, next I value 0. Take the 4 and come. Array of 4 means 5. Is it more than the maximum? Yeah, one variable max required. Let me store. Max as of now 2. Now new person is 5. So is 5 is more than the maximum? Yes. Then 5 will be later, right? Change it. Next one, right? Next element which is come 4 is over. Go to the third index. Third index is 3. Is 3 more than the maximum? No, is not a later, leave it. Next one 2, right? Second one is 4. Second one is 4. Is 4 is more than the maximum? No, leave it. Right? I think leave it. Next one, right? I think 2 also over, 0, 1, 2, 4 also over. Next one is going to be 1. 1 is this. Is it more than the maximum? Yes. So 17 will be printed. He is the new later. Right? I think 1 also over. Go to the 0. Go to the 0. Is 16 is more than the maximum? No, leave it. Leave it. So one scan you done. After completion of this code, if you come outside, these are the letters which are printed. 2 is a letter, 5 is a letter, 17 is a letter. One scan, so time complexity order of n. Right? And one more, space complex, extra space is order of 1. Right? That's the answer. It is a very simple one. Right? Next time onwards, similar kind of problem will come. Please handle properly. This is going to be difficult if you start from left side. Same thing if the condition like a element is said to be a leader, if it is greater than all the people on the left side. Oh, left side. Maybe you can start from left side. A element is said to be a leader, if it is greater than all the people on the right side. Start from right side. So next time will come, please handle properly. If you feel some other better approach there, comment section, please comment. Some, if you see that, sir, you could have done this, you could have done that. Any suggestion you want to give. I'm eagerly waiting for your suggestion. If you are thinking it is useful, if you are watching this video, please subscribe, so that you will see all our updates. It is going to be helpful to us a lot. Right? You will get the new, right, all the notifications also, whichever is needed to you. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to